Welcome to this video where I'm going to talk about the devblog number 69, just in case you didn't read it. On this week, Mills finished one of the new assault rifle barrels and is trying to be able to finish the current weapons models with textures before working on the graphic skins. These pictures show some of his work half done, as there are a few parts such as the magazine, muzzle brake and silencer still missing. During this week, Tom has been working on the color customization system that is explained on the devblog number 65. If you want to take a look at it, the link is on this video description. And he created a quick color randomizer and added not only paintable goat wheels but also set up several items with new color masks that Kefku has made before to test out the system. Everything about the color texture seems to finally become fixed and the colors synchronized. Tom has made some vehicle improvements and fixed some bugs around the lights and the new item system. Wheels will now update their position while the vehicle is moving or whenever new wheels are attached to it, meaning that the wheels won't sink on the ground again. Cartrix has been working on the new blueprint system, user interface and crafting machines. Maybe some of you have already seen the CNC machine somewhere, but has never been totally implemented yet. The crafting feature will suffer changes when the item v2 comes out. The blueprints will change a lot the way we were used to craft things. You will need to find the blueprint for a specific item you want to craft, gather resources for it and probably build a machine to craft your item. And this is where the CNC machine comes in action, which probably will have certain visual effects when turned on and a few more things. The end crafting system, so the system we were used to craft the basic items by hand by accessing the inventory, will also change. You may have base recipes, but then you will need to use a certain amount of blueprints that you will find in the world in order to uncraft them. But not every blueprint can be used this way, and you will be able to repair a few of your items that are uniquely yours and be able to gear up yourself again just in case you are not able to respawn at the base. Still about the blueprint system, Spencer has just implemented it in a way that allows any loot source, such animal drop boxes, resource nodes and loot crates, will now drop something different from before. Instead of a ready-to-use resource, this will drop a unique item instead that cannot be used like before, as this unique item will be a blueprint ready to be crafted. In order for this to happen, Spencer used the same item system he used for weapon attachments, wrapping the fully generated item into a blueprint container. Every item will have their own loot table that will decide how much this item will cost to craft. The cost of these items can be customized depending on the rarity and quality of each item. For example, if you want a more powerful and rare pickaxe, the crafting cost can be 20% more expensive than a weaker and common pickaxe. So there will be two types of blueprints, the handcrafted and the machine-crafted blueprints. This will give players fresh spawns, some item tiers that they can learn directly onto their character, meaning that even if you don't have a base yet, you don't need to build machines to craft your early items. This will help the early game player levels a bit, since the player can find a blueprint and learn it without losing the learned blueprint knowledge. Once the player character progress advances, he will need to build a crafting machine to craft higher tier items. This machine can be taken over by other player if he reaches it. For example, if a player raids your base, he will be able to access your crafting machine. This system seems to be totally ready to use after the new content comes out. And finally, some news about a change on the development team. The developer who uses to work on the designs and art for the game, Gafku, is currently taking a break so he can look after his new baby. To replace him at work for now, there's The Splat, who is not only a 3D sculptor, but also the world record holder for the speedrun on the game Wolfenstein. And that's all for this week. Thank you for watching.